Installation of the TPMS is super simple. You're going to plug your USB into the USB port of whatever charger you're using. Sure, turn it on. This once again has a solar charger on top. Turn it on. We're going to hold this for 3 seconds. We're now on and blinking. We're going to take the number 1, put it on the driver front side, turn that on. I'll show you the pressure on here. Once you're connected, you'll see everything is blinking zeros, it's flashing zeros, it's waiting to be connected to the tire pressure monitor. Install the monitor on whichever tire you choose. Now we are reading 32 PSI on that tire. You want to switch to the other mode. There's your bar. And now you can remove the guessing from your tire pressure. We only have one tire left to set up, but you can see how off the tires are. And you can set your parameters as well. You do have those options. Instructions explain how to do that. But you'll attach one to every tire. Once again, great for pop-up campers. And this monitoring system will tell you what your tires are at after what you've set them for. So this is the TPMS, otherwise known as the Tire Pressure Monitoring System. This is going to be great for pulling pop-up campers, for using on trailers. Anytime you're concerned that your tire pressure is going to be off, you're going to have your monitor here. It's going to have a solar power panel on the top. It'll also have your mini USB mini plug here. You've got your power, your mode, and then your display will be on here. We will have this hooked up in the truck.